Hey guys, if you want a top-of-the-range welding helmet, then looks no further than 3M Speedglas. 3M were the first to produce the groundbreaking auto-darkening welding helmet in 1981 and continue to produce a state-of-the-art helmets today. You've likely tried cheaper welding helmets in the past and are now ready to invest in the best. No compromises are made with the Speedglas, which produce superior viewing quality while keeping you safe. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Our first best pick, 3M Speedglas 9100 FX welding helmet. The FX in the name refers to the flipped-up front cover. You can raise the front visor and still have protection while you grind. Otherwise, this is the same helmet as the Speedglas 9100 XX, meaning it has the largest, nicest filter glass in the 9100 series. Some users have problems with the flip visor, such as accidentally raising it, or trying to raise it but triggering the auto dark instead. Complaints like these may seem minor, but one purpose of welding helmets is improving productivity. These things get in the way and add wasted time. Another complaint by some owners is glare problems on the curved front glass. This is common with curved glass covers. It bothers some welders, but others don't mind it. The Speedglas 9100 FX comes with a head cover to deflect sparks from above or sides, protecting even down inside the helmet. Most welders in shop settings have grinding and welding going on all around, making this a nice feature. Accessories include a hard hat adapter, and it works with passive and powered air 3M respirators. Our second best pick, 3M Speedglas 9100 XX welding helmet. The 9100 XX has 3 sensitivity levels for MIG, TIG or sticks welding. Digital grinding controls are easy to operate with gloves, and auto-darkening is adjustable from shade levels 8 through 13. The XX designation means there's twice the viewing area of the 9100X, delivering 12.5 square inches of the viewport. Generous side windows in shade level 5 enhance peripheral vision. This not only helps to prevent collisions but also keeps you from getting lost while running beads on very long pieces like vehicle frames. Battery life is rated up to 2,000 hours. This welding helmet is for professional welders. Among these users, there are only a few complaints, but they are consistent. The first is that sometimes the swivel won't hold the hood up well enough, and it can swivel down at unexpected times. This annoying issue can lower productivity. Another minor problem for some welders is fogging the lens with exhaled breath. This seems to last for only a few seconds. If this is a problem for you, consider the 9100 FX, with better exhaust vents that prevent this. Every helmet reviewed here is for professionals. The best thing about 3M's 9100 series is its modular system. The same basic helmet shell can be upgraded with better headgear, larger or nicer filter glass, mounted to a hard hat or fitted with a respirator. The 9100V is the most basic model, with the smallest viewport. Less glass on the front means room for a solar panel, extending battery service life. If you're not up to spending a lot of cash right away, you can upgrade the 9100V to the larger X or XX filter glass in stages. The only upgrade you can't make is the flip front cover of the FX, which has a different shell. Once you've installed the rest of the upgrades over time, you could buy the FX shell and transfer everything onto that piece. The 9100V offers the same side windows with shade level 5 as its higher-priced companions. Like the rest of the series, the auto-darkening filter glass is rated for MIG, TIG and stick, with sensitivity settings down to 1 amp. Our fourth best pick, the Speedglas 9100X welding helmet, has smaller glass than the costlier XX and FX models. It's 30% larger than the 9100V. That's still small enough to provide for a solar panel on the front, which the XX and FX don't have the room for. Professional welders love the clarity of the optics and the high-quality auto-darkening, but many feel it's too heavy for all-day work. Others say the weight is offset by the comfortable headgear. The 9100X offers variable sensitivity down to 1 amp for reliable auto-darkening even when TIG welding. The shade level on the main lens is adjustable from level 8 to 13. Some welders don't like the amount of light allowed into the helmet from the outside, but this seems to be a minor issue. These helmets are known for their longevity, with many reports of welders using Speedglas welding helmets for 10 years or more. The 9100X keeps that tradition while offering a modular upgrade path to larger glass, better headgear and add-on respirators. Our fifth best pick, 3M Speedglas 100 Trojan Warrior welding helmet. The Speedglas 100 is a step down from the no-compromise nature of the 9100 series, but still offers professional quality and features. The auto-darkening is adjustable down to 10 amps, still sensitive enough for TIG welding but less responsive than the 9100 series filters at 1 amp. This is a cost saving that helps keep the price down. Owners of the Speedglas 100 love the optical clarity, good comfort and lightweight of this helmet, which comes in about the same as the 9100XX. There are some complaints that it's hard to see out of when welding overhead. One big concern is that there's no auto switch on feature when you pick up this helmet, so you have to remember to turn it on before you strike an arc or you'll flash yourself. The Speedglas 100 welding helmet upholds 3M's reputation for durability and longevity. The shell is very impact resistant and can easily handle an all-day beating. Lightweight and quality filtering make this as a quality first helmet that can be worn full-time. The Speedglas line earned its place in top fab shops over 3 decades by innovation, thoughtful tech and quality construction. Any professional welder will be proud to have a 3M Speedglas welding helmet in the tool cabinet. Thank you for watching.